Top 4 best vegetables to repair muscles fast. Have you ever wondered why your muscles feel sore, weak, or slow to recover, even when you think you're eating healthy? What if the real issue isn't how hard you train, but what your body is missing to rebuild muscle properly after damage? Every time you walk, lift, or exercise, your muscle fibers get tiny tears. That's completely normal. But here's the problem: if your body doesn't get the right nutrients, those muscles don't repair properly. Instead of getting stronger, you stay tired, sore, and weak for longer. And most people ignore this one truth. Muscle recovery doesn't only depend on protein, it also depends on vitamins, minerals, and anti-inflammatory nutrients from vegetables. In this video, I'll show you the top 4 best vegetables to repair muscles fast. These are simple, cheap, and easily available foods, but most people don't use them correctly for muscle recovery. And number 1 is especially powerful if your muscles feel weak or slow to recover. Number 1. Spinach. Let's start with spinach, one of the most powerful vegetables for muscle repair that people often underestimate. Spinach is loaded with essential nutrients like iron, magnesium, potassium, and natural plant compounds that play a direct role in how your muscles recover after physical activity. When you exercise or even do daily physical work, your muscle fibers experience tiny tears, and your body needs a steady supply of nutrients to rebuild them stronger. Iron in spinach helps your body produce healthy red blood cells, which are responsible for carrying oxygen throughout your system. Oxygen is extremely important for muscle recovery because without enough of it, your muscles feel tired, weak, and slow to heal. This is one of the main reasons people feel constant fatigue even when they think they are eating properly. Magnesium in spinach works differently, but just as importantly, it supports proper muscle contraction and relaxation, which helps reduce cramps, stiffness, and that heavy sore feeling after workouts or long activity. Many people ignore magnesium intake, but it is one of the key minerals that decides how fast your muscles bounce back. Spinach also contains powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation inside the muscles after strain or exercise. When inflammation stays high, recovery becomes slower and discomfort lasts longer, but antioxidants help calm that process naturally. Another important benefit of spinach is that it supports better blood flow, which means nutrients reach your muscles faster when they need repair. This combination of oxygen delivery, mineral support, and inflammation control makes spinach a complete recovery-supporting vegetable. Even simple daily intake can gradually improve how your muscles feel and perform over time. The best way to consume spinach for maximum benefit is lightly cooking it or blending it into smoothies, because this helps the body absorb iron and other minerals more effectively, especially when paired with vitamin C-rich foods that improve absorption even further. Number 2. Broccoli. Now, let's talk about broccoli, a vegetable that deserves a place in any muscle-friendly diet. Broccoli is packed with nutrients that help your body recover after physical activity and support the natural repair process of muscle tissue. One of its biggest strengths is its high vitamin C content. Many people think vitamin C is only important for the immune system, but it also plays a major role in repairing tissues throughout the body. After exercise, your muscles experience small amounts of stress and damage, and vitamin C helps support the production of collagen, a protein that is important for maintaining healthy muscles, tendons, and connective tissues. This makes recovery smoother and helps your body rebuild more efficiently. Broccoli is also rich in antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress. During intense activity, the body produces compounds called free radicals, which can increase inflammation and slow muscle recovery if they build up in large amounts. The antioxidants found in broccoli help neutralize these compounds and support a healthier recovery environment inside the body. This can help reduce muscle soreness and make it easier to stay active consistently. Another important benefit of broccoli is its fiber content. Good digestion plays a bigger role in muscle recovery than many people realize. When your digestive system works efficiently, your body is better able to absorb the protein, vitamins, and minerals needed for muscle repair. Broccoli supports digestive health, while also helping you feel satisfied after meals. Broccoli contains several important minerals as well, including potassium and calcium, which support normal muscle function. These nutrients help muscles contract and relax properly, and may help reduce the risk of cramps during physical activity. The best way to enjoy broccoli for muscle support is lightly steamed, roasted, or sauteed, as this helps preserve many of its valuable nutrients. Pairing broccoli with protein-rich foods such as eggs, fish, chicken, or beans can create a balanced meal that provides your muscles with the building blocks they need for recovery and strength. Number 3. Sweet potatoes. Now, let's move on to sweet potatoes, one of the best vegetables for supporting muscle recovery and restoring energy after physical activity. While many people focus only on protein when trying to build or repair muscle, they often forget that muscles also need a steady source of energy to recover properly. Sweet potatoes are packed with complex carbohydrates, which provide long-lasting fuel for the body. After exercise, your muscles use up stored energy known as glycogen. When these energy stores become depleted, recovery can slow down, and fatigue can last much longer. Sweet potatoes help replenish those stores, allowing your muscles to recover more efficiently and prepare for future activity. Another major benefit of sweet potatoes is their potassium content. Potassium is an essential mineral that plays a key role in muscle contraction and nerve function. Low potassium levels can contribute to muscle weakness, cramps, and poor performance. By providing a natural source of potassium, sweet potatoes help support healthy muscle function and reduce the likelihood of discomfort after exercise or physical work. This makes them especially valuable for people who remain active throughout the day. Sweet potatoes are also rich in antioxidants, including beta-carotene, which gives them their bright orange color. These antioxidants help protect muscle cells from damage caused by physical stress and support the body's natural recovery process. Reducing oxidative stress can help muscles feel less sore and improve overall recovery over time. In addition, sweet potatoes contain fiber, which supports healthy digestion and helps the body absorb nutrients more effectively. One reason sweet potatoes are so popular among athletes and fitness enthusiasts is that they provide energy without causing sharp spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. Their slow-digesting carbohydrates offer a steady release of energy, helping the body stay balanced throughout the day. The healthiest ways to prepare sweet potatoes include baking, steaming, or boiling, which preserve their nutrients while keeping them easy to digest. Combined with protein-rich foods and other vegetables, sweet potatoes become a powerful addition to a muscle-supporting diet that promotes strength, recovery, and sustained energy. Number 4. Bell peppers. Finally, let's talk about bell peppers, a colorful vegetable that can make a surprisingly big difference when it comes to muscle recovery and overall muscle health. Bell peppers, especially red bell peppers, are packed with nutrients that help the body repair itself after physical activity. One of their most important benefits is their exceptionally high vitamin C content. In fact, red bell peppers contain even more vitamin C than many citrus fruits. This vitamin plays a vital role in the production of collagen, a structural protein that helps support muscles, tendons, ligaments, and other connective tissues throughout the body. When muscles experience stress from exercise or daily activity, collagen helps strengthen and repair the surrounding tissues. Bell peppers are also loaded with antioxidants that help protect muscle cells from oxidative stress. During exercise, the body naturally produces free radicals, which can contribute to inflammation and slow the recovery process if they accumulate in large amounts. The antioxidants found in bell peppers help neutralize these harmful compounds, creating a healthier environment for muscle repair. This can help reduce soreness and support faster recovery after physical exertion. Another advantage of bell peppers is that they are naturally low in calories while being rich in valuable nutrients. This means you can enjoy generous portions without adding excessive calories to your diet. They also contain water and fiber, which support hydration and digestion. Proper hydration is important because muscles function best when the body maintains healthy fluid levels, while good digestion helps ensure that nutrients are delivered efficiently to recovering muscle tissue. Bell peppers are extremely versatile and easy to include in everyday meals. They can be eaten raw in salads, sliced as a healthy snack, added to sandwiches, or lightly cooked in stir-fries and vegetable dishes. Eating them raw helps preserve their vitamin C content, while gentle cooking can enhance their natural sweetness and flavor. Because they pair well with protein-rich foods such as eggs, chicken, fish, and beans, bell peppers can easily become part of a balanced meal that supports muscle repair, reduces inflammation, and helps the body recover more effectively after physical activity.